branches of Murizhinugar Standard 8, where team experts from Adarsh Vidyalaya Swelam were participating in the Vikshit Bharat 2025, and the title of our project is Carbon Dioxide Purification Model for Factories. Factories are important for development, but they also release harmful gases like carbon dioxide, which cause global warming and air pollution. Our innovative idea helps make factories eco-friendly by purifying carbon dioxide before it releases into the air.
Factory produce large amount of smoke containing dust and carbon dioxide. These gases pollute the air, harm living beings, and increase global warming. Through these Bindatan projects, we aim to design a simple, low-cost system that can purify harmful gases inside factory chimneys and make the air cleaner and safer.
Now let me explain how our model actually works. The smoke from the factory passes through 3 purification steps inside the chimney. Step 1, cotton filter. Step dash F and soot. Step 2, activated charcoal layer absorbs harmful gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Stage 3, lime water camber reacts with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate, removing CO2 completely. Finally, cleaner and safer air is released from the top of the chimney. We have also added a small fan to show how smoke moves through each layer efficiently.
We use plastic bottle and cardboard for the chimney structure, cotton sponge and active charcoal as filter material, lime water for CO2 purification, small water fan to simulate smoke movement, glue tape and paint to assemble and decorate the model.
Advantage of our project, our Bindatan project provide a low-cost eco-friendly solution to control factory pollution. It supports the visions of clean and green India. If used in real factors, it can reduce carbon emissions and improve air quality.
Our slogan is Purify the Future, one chimney at a time. Together we can build a pollution-free, developed India, a true Vikshit Bharat. We, the team Sparks, thank you all for listening to our Bindatan ideas.